Hello friends, welcome back to another important video. Friends, if you are a CIB aspirant, then it's a very important video for you. Do watch this video till last, as this may be the difference between your passing and failing in this important examination. Now friends, if you are facing CIB for the first time, then I would like to tell you that case studies forms integral part in CIB examination. And most often candidates who fails in this examination often fails to solve case studies only. Now from last 2 years, IIBF have raised the level of CIB examination, but unfortunately your textbooks have not raised the levels at all. The usual textbooks which you may be holding in your hands are still 2 to 3 years old. You can just check it yourself. So friends, on request of many CIB aspirants, especially those who have failed to clear this important examination, I had started this online BFM case studies course. Now this is a very special and unique course. First of all, this is not a theory course. That is, I won't teach you chapter by chapter, line by line or topic by topic. I will focus only on case studies from BFM paper. I have launched specially BFM course since this was the subject where most candidates lost the battle in previous 2 examinations of CIB. With this course, I will make sure that you don't lose the battle this time around, since the level of examination will be raised with respect to questions and case studies. Now you must be wondering how this course will benefit you if you haven't finished your syllabus. Well friends, the format of this course is such that even if you haven't finished your syllabus, even then you won't have any issues. The format of each video classes: first I will explain you the concept in detail, and then we will do detailed case study with respect to that topic. So let's say the topic of video is Altman Z-score. So first I will explain you the detailed concept, and then we will do a very detailed case study that will make the concept of Altman Z-score absolutely clear to you. As you can see, even if you have no idea about Altman Z-score, with this approach you won't have any issue in understanding the concept. Now friends, the complete list of lectures or case studies are there in description to this video. In fact, there are 100 plus super special case studies discussed in this course, and if you count question wise, then the number of questions are 500 plus. Moreover, the level of case studies range from easy to advanced level. So one thing I can guarantee you is that you will get absolute quality after enrolling into this course. Now friends, how to judge the quality of a course? Well, the best way to judge the quality is to see the reviews. And I am getting very good reviews from all the enrolled students. Some of the reviews are: first one is from Mr. Debanand Sarkar from IOB. Now his reviews are: BFM case studies course is very unique and content is very strong to pass the BFM examination. After going through case studies, I am confident enough and my fear of BFM exam is reduced a lot. Now friends, you can pause the video and read the full review here. Now another review is from Mr. Tausif Ansari. Now he says that the course is best guidance for BFM case studies. One will never regret joining this course, no matter how much slow you are in grasping. By the end you will learn a lot, simple yet effective. Now friends, here also you can read the full review by pausing the video. Let's see a last review before moving forward. Now this comes from Mr. Aditya Singh. He says that the practical case studies is very useful for CIB. You are covering all the case studies which are related to syllabus. The case study helps in banking fields, especially IRM department. Now friends, apart from lectures, you will also get my priority reply to your queries with respect to lectures. In case you have any issue with any video or lecture, then you will always get priority and I will reply your issues within 24 hours. Also friends, this course at present comes with a 1-year validity and it's just one-time enrollment for you and you don't need to pay anything before expiry. Now friends, this is plenty of time for you to prepare and clear your examination. Also note, this course covers most of the question types and almost every case study type which you can check from the list provided in description to this video. Friends, lastly, the link to enroll into my BFM case studies course is there in description to this video. So just enroll now and you will receive the joining mail within 24 hours. So thank you and I will meet you inside the course.